on, guys? It's Freddie with Liberty Auto Works. It's Friday. Thank God. We got Preston over here. What you doing over here, Preston?
Don't ask me shit.
Don't ask me. Don't worry about him. Orange square body. I haven't finished it up.
All right, so what we got going on is we have the sheet metal kit that we ordered for this truck. The problem is once the truck airs all the way out, the tire actually sits about 2 inches higher than the factory fender. So what we're gonna have to do is cut all this out, raise it about 3 inches, actually tub this bead roll panel to make the sheet metal inner fenders for this truck. So we're in between the two, so that'll be the whole radius of that piece. So, got a part for that here, and it's a filler panel, so we're gonna need a total of 4 of them. So we're gonna go ahead and add that in there to generate the program, so that's gonna give us 4 panels total. Time to cut. Why is it still red? That's no good. Now it's off. Go to cut. Alright, reset.
Cut or uncut?
Oh. 4, enter, generate. Set program origin. Start. There it is. Quit rushing me.
I ain't rushing you.
Did you know that you are about 55 inches away from being a
You
Dang it, we gotta reset again. The funniest part is his mouth is only 56 inches away.
Alright.
Going in the video.
Good now?
Ready? Take 17. Start.
Hey, pull that thing back.
Look, take this out, bro.
Ain't no way you getting one whole piece.
You want to bet?
$20.
$20? Okay.
Oh, you can't do it like that.
Why?
You shouldn't have this whole thing. Oh. Look at him. Look at him. He's about to lose it. Look at him. Oh!
It didn't come apart.
Oh, come on now. They put my Venmo on YouTube.
You can cut that there.
Look at it.
It's because you hit it with a grinder. I was hit with a grinder.
$20,
That's $20, baby. That's that Alfredo, chicken Alfredo tonight.
Hey, $20 is $20. Am I right?
Depending on who you ask. Look at that. Listen, kids, this is why you use plasma tables, not hand cut. Consistency.
Just checking the length. Make sure we got enough plate.
Yeah.
And we do.
Get this ugly dice out of here. Freddie welded that. Teaching Freddie how to TIG weld.
Yeah, Freddie. Okay.
That's actually not that bad for his first time.
I know.
He's a welder, bro. No, we got it.
we got to cut these things off, these little bent pieces, because we're keeping the rolled piece, and we got to cut it square here and then get rid of this piece over here so we can customize it.
You already turned this one? Yeah, this is blowing right through it. Hell yeah, brother!
Go try it.
I will with the baby.
I ain't getting on
Nah, you ain't right behind you with.
Just ask Ree what happened to his pit bike. I ain't getting on there.
Check out the power.
You got your earmuffs, buddy? He's in his truck.
It's not like you're doing the Kendrick Lamar. Reincarnated.
Stargazer.
You got the socket up there?
Do what?
You got a socket up there for all
No, it's probably on that black tray on the lid though. Nah.
Bruh.
What?
You can do the subs?
Oh, yeah.
What? We sell cocaine here.
Pull it out! Come on, let's see it!
Whip it out.
If it's as big as you talk, I want to see it.
A bunch of cheap white boys.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, how you doing?
Pretty good. Say hello to camera. Hey guys, we're out here at Livid Auto Works. These guys right here, they get down on their knees.
Damn.
I know we're struggling. I know we're struggling.
Oh, no,
but God,
shit,
hey.
Oh, good.
I didn't know